Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Remember, if skip your trainers, maybe fourth class.
Yeah.
Or
Yes.
fifth class, fifth, yes. So in that time, you calculate the average value.
Yeah.
Maybe this way. Okay. But I want to calculate the value of only the one day. Okay. So that's why I
Fast. Yeah.
Yeah, I use the fast. But you can see here.
Print the point data also.
Sorry.
Okay, so let's check what's the value we find out with. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Now run again. So now run the code again and check. Oh. Now click on the feature collection, 34 element. Yeah. Features. Property. Yeah.
But I don't know why it's not working.
Okay, so now also check the longitude, latitude. Okay, so now this second feature collection, mainly 34, another feature collection you can check. So here we find out the result, basically last one, feature collection 30. Yeah, this one feature, and then check properties. So longitude, latitude value, and also this value. Okay, so at the same time, so when you just from the task tab simply download the CSV file, we find out the longitude, latitude, and also this value. 3 column we find out this CSV file or Excel file we find out.
One more thing. You see, I set the script.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, but I want to create a folder here.
Okay, so for the folder, okay, go to the app, skip tab, go to the app.
Skip tab.
Go to the app option, you find out the new, mainly just scrolling and then go, new. So you can see the folder. So now create the folder name.
Okay. And one more thing. In the last class, maybe in the last class, this land use, land cover. Okay. I have couple points.
Yeah.
34. You can see some problem.
Okay, so it show the missing problem. This feature is not have. So kindly
And
check your, okay, so how are you, okay, so did you upload the sample, yeah, in CSV? Mainly upload the CSV file and then work, or take the sample from the geometry import.
sorry,
Okay, so in this case,
I changed several times. You check this error is where
okay, this
this
it's occurred
error
because
is
sometime, suppose some property is missing, suppose class, suppose some training sample, the
yeah.
property class is not, this type of things is not have, so then it's create this type of problem, property
Yeah.
is missing. So
So
now this property higher, okay, just click on the geometry import,
geometry program.
this map upside, hand tool, marker tool, polygon, square, yeah, this one, yeah, this one, and then check the setting properties, mainly all of setting properties, yeah, this one, check setting property, class. Okay, so you can use all of property name is the same. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, so now let's check the another one. Okay, this one, class, okay, one, it's okay, no problem. Then second, third, yeah, class 2, okay, class 3, okay, it also okay, no problem. Yeah, so now check the property name in your code. Okay, suppose where you put the property name, some function you also mention the property name, suppose class property. Okay, go to the below again, go to the below more, okay, more, mainly reduce region or sample region function we also use the property name, go to the below more, yeah, this one you make the mistake in here. So properties, C is the lowercase in your, okay, then but you can put the uppercase. Yeah, so now put the C, now run the code again, I hope it also okay. So another, this one also, yeah, so up lowercase. So now I hope it will be work. So now I hope there is no error. So now further add the color of your land use land cover for each class. It will be okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to know. Here you can see the print command. Is there any problem?
So basically, when a size function is only work for image collection, but when I apply the median, then this variable is not the image collection. It's just a single image composite. So that's why size function is not working here now.
I don't. Can I check?
Yeah. So simply just you can print only for the image, but not use the size function, because size is it only work for collection. But when I apply the median function, then this variable is stored at the single median composite image.
Same problem several times.
Yeah. So this is the image, have total 19 bands.
19 band, but how much? Only one image. Okay.
Yeah. So all of images less than 1% within this time period and create the median composite.
Here, to check training data, we try to check take 80% of training data.
Yeah.
80% of total data. Okay. At the train data. So we use greater than random 0.8.
Yeah.
Why?
So basically, okay, basically it's a greater than randomly 0.8. Okay, so in this case we just randomly distributed this data, and when I randomly I select 0. Greater than 0.8.
Yeah, that means only 20% data.
No, less than equal randomly 0.8, indicating about the 20%. Okay, less than equal 0.8. Suppose your total data is 100. So just I put the less than equal 80, less than equal suppose 80. Then we find out only for the rest of 20% data.
Yeah. So random 0.8 means 80%. Okay.
Yeah.
But filter greater than, that means.
So just we filtered this data set. So we have the total data set, suppose 100. Suppose I have total 100 sample of data. So this 100 sample of data, randomly I just choose 80%. Okay, greater than 80%. And then second one, suppose I have total 100 data, 100 sample. So randomly I take the greater than 0.8 or 80%. So his is the 20%.
Still not understand. But greater than equal here is okay, or only greater than?
Okay, it's same, no problem. Greater than equal, just it take the all of values, but greater than, maximum developer use the greater than. So greater than is okay, no problem. And second one is the less than equal.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, anyone any question?
Quick question
Please.
or suggestion. With what you did with the land use land cover, is it possible to have an example on crop type mapping also, where we can tell the, so that in the change analysis we tell areas that have been left fallow based on the changes in the two
Okay.
periods? Is it possible to do?
Okay, so for the crop classification, I have also another code, mainly ground truth data. So let me show you this example, then I hope it will be more better. Just to show you that, I'll also send you the code also. Then you can easily get the idea how it will be work. Okay, so let me show you that, just a minute. For the crop classification, how it will apply. Okay. Okay, so this is the one kind of work. So let me share my screen. Okay. So in this case, we are just making the crop classification and identify rice, cotton, fodder, maize, sugarcane, and wheat crop for this study area. But when you make the crop classification, first of all, not only for the this type of training sample we need, okay, from the field, okay, and then also need to classify the barren land, urban, water body, forest, and grassland, okay. So this type of things we simply collect from our training sample, okay, from the satellite images. But for the crop classification, this type of data we need to import from the CSV file or ground truth data. Okay, so you can see total how much class 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 10 11, total 11 class we find out. And it's a 6. Okay, it is start from the 6 because I already have the rice, then okay, one class, then another class, so it will be start from the 6. So this type of thing I simply collect from the satellite imagery. But this type of crops types we simply import the CSV file. Okay, and we create, you can see, okay, so basically there are the lot, it's a seasonal also different, so just we take the image for the different season for the different crop, and we make the classification. So you can see, so this is the overall classification. So random forest, all of classes, total 11 class. So further we simply marks only for the crop classification. Okay, just display the result only for the crop and remove all of others. Okay, so I also send you this code, then you try to adapt, then check the result, okay, for your own study area. But for that, first of all, we need the ground truth data. Suppose rice is the 0, then cotton is the 1, fodder is the 2, then 3, 4, 5. And you can see this type of barren land we take from the satellite imagery, then urban, then wheat, then forest and grass. So this type of class we make the separately. Otherwise, sometime grass or forest is also mixed with our different types of crop. So that's the reason we simply make the separate and make the another class for the grass, forest, water, urban or barren, this type of class. And finally, we simply create this our full land use land cover map. This is the full including all of classes. And after that, we simply remove all of class, just keep only for the crop class. Total 6 crop class we find out in here. Okay, then remove, we can easily separate the barren land, build up, water body or forest or also grassland. It will be automatically removed. Then we find out only for the rice, cotton, fodder, maize, sugarcane and wheat, this type of place. So I'll also share this code also with you, then you can just simply try, okay, and make the and classification is the same, okay, for the, it also work with the random forest. Then we try. Okay, any question, ask me please.
Okay, I want to show you your script which uses SPM, support vector machine. Okay,
Okay,
can I
Spanish.
show you my script?
Yeah, kindly share.
First, you remove the cloud.
Yeah.
And define vector name.
So basically this type of this function help me you to mainly remove the cloud and cloud shadow and also rescaling the scale factor. Okay, this first function.
And then you choose.
Yeah, so it in this time it just work as a rectangle. Okay, rectangle, basically we just draw the rectangle or rectangle value.
Yeah, only two sample.
Yeah, two sample.
You choose on the basis of two data.
Yeah.
Two train data.
Yeah.
And then you classify.
Yeah. Support
It's
vector
possible.
machine. Yeah.
It's acceptable only two data.
Yes, sometimes we also need this type of classification. Suppose only identify deforestation and forestation area. Okay, then we try to apply this type of things.
So yeah, like if I choose for water area, I know it's come from the water, and some places are maybe mixed type. Color is reflectance is different.
Yeah.
Like the complete water. So we should train the machine all possible data, or we just restrict us to the confirmed data. Which one is better?
Okay, just if we know the confirmed data, suppose water, then we just take it and then work.
Only confirmed data.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you use the vector machine.
Yeah.
And sometimes water and non-water, or forest and non-forest. Forest, we confirm this is forest.
Yeah.
So we choose the sample data.
Yeah.
But for non-forest, it can be water, soil, or.
Okay, then we just simply take the all of pixel, just merge. Suppose I take the soil, I also take the training sample for water. Okay, in the one variable. Okay, just take the suppose water and non-water. So non-water I including all of pixel together. Suppose soil, water, then other barren land. Okay, which is it's a non-water.
Number of sample will be larger, but here you only use two.
So now this work is only happen only for the forest area. Okay, and this forest area we find out only for the forestation and deforestation, mainly two class. Our main focus only for the two class.
So it's not important each type of
No.
cell. Okay, and then you use here kernel type RBF.
Okay, so RBF is, it's called the radial bias function. So for that we simply, okay, if you simply search a website, then we find out the all of a theoretical part. I think I also attach this website in Google Classroom. Okay, so from that we can also get the RVF function or kernel type or gamma. So cost, okay, this type of parameter we can easily get the idea, this type of theoretical part. So basically in Google Earth Engine, it just create the ready-made this type of function, but this type of behind on the function have some theory or equation. Okay, so this type of theory or equation you can simply search on the some source of website, also read some book regarding the machine learning or deep learning, then it will be more better. But Google Earth Engine now it's provide the some ready-made product. Suppose support vector machine, radial bias, it's a long equation, but just it's just only use the RBF. So then we can easily call the radial bias function. And cost or gamma. Okay, so these type of things you can read the source website which I attached, and it will be more better. Not only for that, any machine learning method we can easily get the lot of theoretical part. Okay, and we have another online training program. So in this program we are not use the ready-made function, we create the different types of machine learning. Suppose support vector machine, then also different types of supervised, unsupervised, or also deep learning. We can create our own model, but now Google Earth Engine provide you the ready-made model. It's just a ready-made model, all of function, just create the ready-made function. But this type of function we can also build on and use our own model to make the classification. It also possible. Okay, any question?
Case of
Yeah.
any doubt regarding today or
Yeah, so
yesterday
okay, so
class?
basically not only for today's session, anytime when you face any problem regarding this course content, so you can see it covered a lot of topic. Okay, and when you practically use on your own field, if you face any problem regarding this type of content, okay, you try, okay, but it gets some problem. So for that we provide the lifetime teaching support. Okay, lifetime teaching support mainly regarding this type of topic, but you can do this course, but now you can get the support for deep learning or more advanced topic, then I am not supporting. So regarding this type of content for future, not only for the after 7 days, anytime, okay, you can easily contact and get the support regarding this type of content. Okay, for any time. So for without Friday and Saturday, suppose you try, you can see before one day simply knock me and take the appointment, and then you can simply show me your problem, then I will try to give you the solution. Again, and there is no deadline for your assignment. Okay, so you can properly learn and then submit all of assignment. There is no any deadline. So further you can simply get the e-certificate after downloading, after just okay, just simply download from this link. You can easily download your own certificate, but after that, before that, simply complete all of assignment. Okay, and for the teaching support, this type of content, when you face any problem, you can simply ask me anytime. Okay, and you can easily join me the live interactive session. So for that, you can simply knock me before one day and take your appointment without Friday and Saturday or Monday. So other days I am available, inshallah, no problem. And then you can simply discuss about your problem regarding this type of course content for any time in the future, inshallah. It just provide the support. Okay, and if you want, suppose you learn this course again. Okay, so this course is you can join anytime for any future time. Okay, so for that you can say our next session will be start from the 14th November. If you want, you can also continue the live session from the 14th November for the same course content. There is no there is no need to any kinds of fee. Freely you can join. Okay, and then learn all of those properly, more better. Yes, any question please? Yeah.
So everything with the certificate.
Which one?
The certificate you show some site where I can get certificate.
Oh, okay, so I can get it from here. Okay, from this type of website, you can easily download it after submitting all of assignments.
So, your website.
Yeah, in the website. And not only for that, we have also another online training program. Suppose if you check, so now you complete this part, okay, total 7 days. We have also some water quality analysis or Google Earth Engine web application, okay, or water resource management or Google Earth Engine with R programming, because in this case we are not discussing about the R programming, and also Google Earth Engine for the Python API for deep learning, because in this time we are not use the deep learning in Google Earth Engine, but it also possible, suppose CNN or ANN. So this type of things is also possible. We can also use the Python API freely and use the deep learning. But when you use the JavaScript, we need to buy the deep learning some code or cloud storage and use. Okay, and as well as also have the another research based training session. So basically it's the research based training session. So in the research based training session, now this batch is running. So it now future batch, new batch, I think it will be start from the next year, inshallah. We try to start the new. So in this time for this is topic, our main target is that we just make the paper. Okay, suppose I will guide you, and after that we just try to publish some different topic. We try to publish our scientific paper. Okay, it's called the research based training session. Okay, as well as you can see the precision agriculture. Okay, so how we focus only for the agriculture section. So how we can really monitor the crop yield prediction. Okay, how to use the fertilizers or pesticide or seed or irrigation management, help of remote sensing or drone imagery, how we can easily apply for the remote sensing. Okay, so this type of only work for that agriculture precision, use the remote sensing on Google Earth is also discussed in this training session. Okay, as well as we also try to add the insert analysis. Okay, insert is very important to identify the different types of changes, suppose earthquake. So this type of thing you also use the technology also use and identify different types of change. Okay, so but before that you just simply complete this all of assignment. Okay, then learn the properly, then future you can easily get any notification in our Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. If any new upcoming advanced training will be start, then you can easily get the notification from our Google Classroom, and further you can join the further advanced training session, no problem. But regarding this topic, any topic, when you face any problem, any content, you can get the lifetime free support regarding this type of course content. And after future, suppose after 1 month or 2 months you want to learn, join the live training session again and learn, then it also possible. You can easily freely join, because every month inshallah we take the training session, this class, this topic. Okay, this type of course content. So anytime, suppose after 1 year you need the revised this type of topic, then you can simply join the live training session again freely and then complete your all of those properly. Yeah. Okay, anyone any question?
One question, huh?
Please.
Which course has to do with the predictive analytics, like predicting
Okay, so prediction we have then. Okay,
like drought or land use
yeah.
change and things like that.
So further we just use this land use land cover prediction. Okay, so how we can easily apply the prediction. Prediction basically we can use the different types of model. Suppose we can use the CA Markov model or artificial neural network. Okay, in the QGIS or TAT set, or this type of things. Basically use the different types of tool, or we can also use the programming language is also available. Okay, so this course we just discuss about that land use land cover prediction, or suppose LST prediction or LSTM prediction. Divine of things. Okay. Okay, so first I will try to Okay, so anyone in question?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please.
I heard that you can even help in terms of the drone image array, the, water application. Do you provide a specific training on that one?
Yeah, it also possible.
Just-
Suppose sometime you need some specific topic, so then further you can simply send me all of your content. So for that you need to join the private session, mainly one person, one session. Okay, suppose you can simply choose your own content, then further if you want you can also join the live session. Okay, so 1 versus 1 you can join and complete your content, all of content. It also possible. Okay, is there any question? Okay, I hope there is no question. So you also try, and further in the future, if you when you face any problem, you can take the lifetime teaching support regarding this type of content. Okay, and also try to put all of assignment. Okay, and properly learn all of those. Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for joining, everyone. Okay, I hope you can also learn something new from me. Okay, any question?
Well,
Yeah.
since it's the last class, it's just appreciation for your efforts and for the structured outline of this course. At least it's been very helpful in settling and laying a good guide on how to develop or grow in the use of this Google Earth Engine platform.
Okay, so now
Means one.
you completed the 7 days online training program. So now first of all you need to know about the method. Okay, so now you try to read some scientific paper regarding the remote sensing, because there are a lot of work already done using the remote sensing technique, but they are not use the Google Earth Engine. Okay, so you can check the lot of paper is already available, but now it's available only for the Google Earth. They are use the ArcMap or QGIS software. But now if you want, you can simply convert this type of things in Google Earth Engine. It will be more better practice. Okay, so you can simply read some scientific paper regarding the remote sensing and then try to develop this type of things using Google Earth Engine or coding. Okay. Okay, any question? Okay. Okay, today is no more. Further, anyone need any help or any confusion, simply contact in the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp number. And if you need the any kinds of appointment, you can simply before 1 day, simply knock me and take your scheduled time and then join. Okay, and show me your problem. Okay, thank you. Have a good night. Bye.
Thank
Okay.
you. Good night.
Good night.
Hmm?